Once, a man kept two notebooks. In the first book, he recorded all the facts he observed about the world. In the second book, he wrote down all the poetry he could imagine. But when he read what he had written in the first book, he threw away the second book. He had discovered that in writing down the facts of the world, he had all the poetry he needed.
Well, you looking for a job? Well, I believe we got a job that needs to be doing, don't we, boys?
Does the job need a large shovel?
Oh, it's a hell of a lot better than that. Come on, I'll show you the heart of the operation. Say, what's your name, Chief?
John Dow.
Well, Johnny Dow, you good with animals?
My grandfather worked with horses in Xinjiang.
That'll be helpful. You want a job? Try breaking one of these. You see, the ostrich isn't the most domesticated creatures that you'll ever meet. They just drop their eggs any damn place, so we gotta go through the fields and pick them up. They all won't survive if we leave them exposed. And Howard here puts them in an incubator till they hatch.
See, the problem is male ostriches don't take too kindly to swiping them eggs, and that one over there is caught on to what we're doing.
So your job is to distract this beast while Howard fetches the rest of the eggs. You game?
Do they like music?
Oh, no. You're gonna have to do this mano a mano, or mano a birdo. Go on. Almost forgot to tell you, they can get mighty nasty. Don't let him kick you. His claws will rip your belly up like a pack of razor blades. Oh, hey, what'd I tell you? We got a possible new recruit here, Wyatt.
Nice work. Wyatt Parnell. I run this operation.
John Dow.
Eddie, let's put this man on the payroll.
That's just what I was thinking, boss.
How'd you know how to do that anyway?
Back issues of National Geographic, huh, Chief?
Howard's lucky you showed up.
Running from oppression, yearning for freedom, he came to America. But when he is falsely accused of murder, he must run again, searching for the truth. The hunter and the hunted.
USDA papers. I think I filled them out right. You have to sign these before you can start working.
Oh, these look fine, Wyatt. I'll make the changes and file them in the morning.
Slipped past the border guards, didn't you? Don't worry. Jay Barry here is the best lawyer in Texas. He'll get you a green card. Government garbage anyway. You got free enterprise to pursue. Time to fool with the feds.
Can I interest you lads in a bit of midday repast?
You want to run that by me one more time?
Put on the feed bag, Parnell.
This is Mrs. Parnell.
Hi.
Hello.
Well, come on.
Okay. Come on, you can fill that out later. Let's get some grub.
Welcome to the adventure we call the Parnell Ranch. Help yourself to a steak.
I don't eat meat.
Sacrilege.
Now, Jay, didn't you ever see It's a Small World at Disneyland?
You said it, honey. Everyone's different and more power to them.
Now, you don't eat any meat or just ostrich meat?
That's ostrich meat?
The biggest, strongest birds in the world. High protein, low cholesterol. Healthy as fish, tastes like beef. Ostrich, it's what's for dinner.
Here it comes, the gospel according to Wyatt Parnell.
Ostriches and emus. In 5 years, they're gonna be the biggest thing since E.T. And a damn sight prettier.
If you want to make some fast money, you take my advice and race these birds.
You wanna risk a $30,000 investment on a racetrack? Jay. Besides, I think I got enough money already, don't you? Anyway, it's not about dollars. It's about creating a new arena, a new industry, making new jobs for folks like Eddie and the chief here.
What happened to you?
Number 28's what happened to him.
Fortinbras?
Miss Parnell's got all these fancy schmancy names for all the birds, like we could keep track of 152 ostriches by name.
Shakespeare has hundreds of good names. Falstaff, Iago, Desdemona.
Desdemona. Yeah, I've been there. It's north of Dallas. Used to be called Hogtown.